global foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world. Banks, financial corporations, and governments make billions of dollars annually. Exclusive funds and private trading companies take advantage of Forex risk-reward flexibility, leverage, and profit compounding to create massive gains for their clients. The CashFX Group believes success in the trillion-dollar Forex market should be accessible to everyone. CFX uses the same technology and trading strategies for the benefit of its own members. Whether you want to trade like a pro or leave the hard work to our pros, you'll find an option that's a perfect fit for your level of interest in Forex trading. If you're ready to master Forex yourself, the CFX Academy is accessed through our accredited online university. The CFX professional trading platform is completely transparent, broadcasting trades in real time through a downloadable mobile app. If you've ever had the desire to profit in the global Forex market, but the complexity of Forex held you back, CFX was designed for you. Here's to your trading success. Get back to the person that shared this video with you to learn more.